What's up, you degens? What's going on? What is going on this evening? Gonna watch some hockey tonight. What do you think? Watch some hockey? Absolutely, man. How's everybody doing? Give you guys a few minutes to kind of pour on into the chat. Let me make sure we are live over on X. We are live. Absolutely. Love to see it. All right, guys, let's get into it here. Let's have a little bit of a chat. WF Capital in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Loving that Swift bag or what? You still floating on cloud nine with that bag of Swift? My man. Love to see it, bro. Love to see it. All right. Swift's actually up 4.2%. JASMY's up 3.5%. Look at fighting back to that 2-cent level for JASMY. Not too bad, guys. BTC 63.7. Nice. H bar down. Some good DCA opportunities too, guys. Don't miss the opportunities right in front of you, right? Looks like the memes are pumping pretty good today. Book of memes and Doge looking juicy. What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? Proppy's having itself a pump. Render, OTK. Some good opportunities though, guys. LCX is still a good pickup right now. Quant is $102. Good pickup for Quant. Yeah. Some good opportunities. ICP $13.15. Not bad. Little confused. Thought altcoin season would start around October. There's multiple altcoin seasons in a bull run, my friend. When people say the altcoin season, sometimes they're talking about the blow off top. Sometimes they're talking about throughout the season. You will see runs on altcoins. That's how the market kind of stair steps its way upwards into the bull run, right? I guess the only way to really say how you'll understand it is, I guess you kind of just got to go through it once and then you'll kind of get it, right? You'll see runs on altcoins. You'll have an altcoin run, and then like let's say altcoins run like 100% pump, and then they'll pull back. I'm just using random numbers here when I say 100% pump. Let's say 1,000% pump, then they pull back 100. A fraction of that, right? And then they pump again, and then they just keep working their way up. It just comes faster and more aggressive, right? So Tara in the house, what's going on? Veracity. Yes, love VRA. Anna Marie, what's going on, guys? What's going on? All right, guys, if you're new, always smash that subscribe button. Help us push that content out to the masses, guys. We got to feed the algorithm, right? We gotta like and subscribe so we can get JASMY content out to more people, guys. That's important. Ole, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, market's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, guys. Okay, we're gonna get into some things while we're waiting for you guys to pour on in. Like I said before, let's see what we have going on today. So we got some bullish algo news, guys. Check it out. Algorand is the only L1 blockchain with native Python programming language, enabling 10 million Python developers to expand their skills. The average salary for blockchain developers is $140,000 per year. Look at these other companies that use Python programming language, guys. Netflix, Google, Reddit, YouTube, NASA, Amazon, Dropbox, Facebook, guys. Huge deal. Absolutely love Algorand here on the channel. You guys know we love Algorand. We love our layer ones. Very, very supportive of the algo ecosystem. What else do we got? Charles Hoskinson, breaking. Charles is being brutally attacked. Charles tweets out, not weird at all. There have been real, continuous, and brutal attacks coming from many in the Tezos community, calling Cardano an MLM Ponzi scheme that copied Tezos, is a ghost chain, has no value, etc., etc. You can choose to ignore the attacks, but they exist and continue. Guys, the reason I bring this up is because I want to encourage you guys as a community. There's a lot of newer people to crypto, and if you're newer to crypto and stuff, I want you to kind of take this in, okay? Never fall for this stuff, guys, right? Don't allow any content creator, any person on X, anywhere on YouTube, anywhere. Don't let people suck you into being some hater of another community's token, right? Don't get dragged into that stuff. Do not become a part of the toxicity that can be in crypto, right? We are an and channel, not an or channel, right? So you get people all the time who say, hey, man, Algorand or HBAR, right? I say both. Both are going to make you good money. Support both projects. They're both great, right? Don't fall for this stuff, guys, right? Because you see a lot of people in certain communities, like ICP has terrible, terrible, toxic people who are always attacking JASMY, stuff like that. There's other communities as well. And don't get sucked into this stuff, guys, right? If you don't like a project, just ignore it, right? Just ignore it and talk about the projects. Talk about the positive projects that you like. Uplift, right? Uplift instead of drag down. That's the message that I would want to send out to you guys, right? Don't get pulled into the toxic communities and stuff like that, right? Be all you can be, baby. Be all you can be, right? Oh, wow, I got it. The parabolic move starts around October. Yes, that will be the parabolic part of it. Yes. Ty, what's up, man? What do you think about Beam? Any predictions where it could run? Hold a little amount, but will likely add more. Yeah, I hold a little bit of Beam. I love Beam. Beam is going to do fantastic in the bull run, in my opinion. Web3 gaming is like my weakness, and they are a great project. Hang on a second. Yes, they're a great project in the Web3 gaming sphere. They are on, GameFi, exactly. DWF Labs. They have the same market maker as JASMY, so that's very bullish, right? They're on Avalanche. That's right, Avalanche Subnet. Yes, very bullish on Beam. All-time high was 4 cents. Beam will smash right through close to $1. We'll say around $1 for Beam. I could see it hitting $1. Its market cap's already pretty high. Probably $1, maybe a little more. I could see it. Funky in the house. What's up, man? What's up? Stavrum, Beam is a great pick. Thinking 25 cents easy, maybe 50. Yes, exactly. Samuel, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, brother. Thank you so much for the super chat, as always, man. You're greatly appreciated. Samuel, you're like the only one that supports the channel, buddy. Well, there's a couple other people. I'm just messing around, but thank you so much, brother. It's greatly, greatly appreciated, man. I hope your family's doing good. Selling both kidneys for more JASMY coin. Nice. Yeah, I was kind of thinking around there as well. It's definitely a solid project, though. Definitely. What's up, Rob? I hope all is well. Great video today. Thanks, man. Thank you. I try to be positive, right? Try to put some positive vibes out. We're starting to get close to the parabolic part of the run, guys. Things are going to start moving upwards soon. So let's get the momentum going in a positive direction. Get some positive vibes out there. And, yeah, let's love it, guys. Let's love it. I already sold my spleen for more JASMY. Nice. Batlander, you are right. It's better to not poo-poo other projects. Too much of that going around. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we don't need to spread FUD about other projects. Let's just love the projects that we love, right? Let's if I don't like a project, the most I'll say about it is, it's not something I would buy. You know, that's it. That's all I'll say. I never sit here and FUD a project. No way, man. Nothing but love. Nothing but love, man. Juicy JASMY, absolutely. Yeah, love my Beam. 20% of my portfolio, only gaming pick, and my only game pick. Nice. There's some good other gaming picks, but yes, Beam is a fantastic one. It's going to do great. First bull run for Beam, so I agree. I hold quite a few gaming projects. Yeah. My entire portfolio breakdown, guys, is over on the Patreon. Go check that out, because my whole thing, you'll see all the Web3 gaming plays that I hold over there. Definitely, you know what? I'll put the link in the chat, guys. So yeah, here's the link in the chat for the Patreon. Go check that out. Check out my portfolio. I want to know what you guys think about that, what I hold, how much I hold, why I hold it, and how much I think the price is going to on every project. Yes, including JASMY. Hello, how's everybody doing? Nick Kick, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Doing good. How much Ethereum are we going to need to exit JASMY in the bull run? Approximately depends on where you're holding it. If you're going to move it over to a centralized exchange, then you won't have to worry about it, right? And honestly, a lot of wallets, cold storage wallets as well. Like for example, I use Ledger, and Ledger actually allows you to swap out of a lot of coins into stable coins right on Ledger without having to move over to an exchange or pay ridiculous gas fees. So a couple of things to think about. Game 7, let's go. Oh, Crypto Homes, my goodness, man. Am I ever, it's either going to be a fantastic night for me or it's going to be miserable, right? So basically, it depends on everyone else who encounters me this evening. The rest of their evening is going to depend on how the Leafs do tonight, right? It could be great or it's going to be not so great. Rodney, I'm confused of when I sell. I hear up to 5 in 2025, 2026, 17 or more. You're talking about JASMY? Well, in terms of JASMY, I mean, listen, Rodney, I can help you out one-on-one if you want, my friend. Since you're a member of the channel, I could definitely sit down or like chat with you one-on-one, and I can have a look and I can like help you with your exit strategy and stuff like that, man. Just shoot me a message over on the Discord and I will be there to help you out, man, with your exit plan. And same thing, guys, if anybody else out there needs help with their exit plan or their profit taking, anything like that, just click the join button or the link in the chat to become a member, and we will help you with that so that you make sure you're taking your profits properly and at good times. You don't want to hold too long, and you don't want to sell too early, right? So if you need help with that, click the link in the chat for that as well. Jay, where do you find the link to JASMY 17 bucks? I don't know what you're talking about, Jay. The link to JASMY 17 bucks. You're going to have to be a little more specific than that. Rodney, okay, we'll do. Rob, what's your thoughts on having 20% of your port in large memes? Like that's too much for me. Depends on how much money we're talking about here, but 20% is a little too much in my opinion. Too risky, right? Too risky. You don't want to get rugged for 20% of your portfolio. I'd go closer to maybe 10 at the most is what I would do. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. I effed up my positions, fell for a scam, and lost about 5K in JASMY. Not much, but that was the best way to learn these. My current JASMY position still looking good. Oh, no, I'm sorry to hear that. Was that recently, or was that just like a lesson you learned in the past? I hope it wasn't recently. I really hope that it's not. Samuel, welcome, my friend. Free super chat, LOL. Awesome, brother. Awesome. Thank you for supporting the channel, brother. As always, man. I'm just trying to see what you did there. If you free super chat, wee. You're the man, buddy. You're the man. Thank you for the support, brother. Greatly appreciated. Guys, again, just click the link in the chat if you want to join like Samuel. Havoc, what's up, Rob? I'm ready any day now. Yes, let's go, man. Let's go. Hey, Rob, hope you're doing well. So the altcoins may start running next week. Yes, let's go. Finally, let's get this party started. I have a little bit more dollar cost averaging to do, guys. However, I can do that as the market trickles its way upwards. So let's get going. Let's get started. That happened today. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I am so sorry to hear that, man. That is terrible. Yeah, I don't even know what to say, man. I hate seeing that kind of stuff happen to people. So, there's no place in crypto for rugs and scams and stuff. It's very, very irritating to see people get taken advantage of like that, especially newer people to crypto. So I'm sorry to hear that, man. I am absolutely sorry to hear that. What else do we got? Samuel, thank you for all the package info. Always think that if you got 100 and you invest, send 5 to 10 towards the guy who got you there already. Thank you, man. I love that. I actually love that, man. And it's, you know what? It's appreciated, right? It's very, very much appreciated. It keeps me motivated. I'm trying to get the channel to the point where I can honestly do this full time. I'm thinking I might be leaving the bar soon, so I'll be free on Friday and Saturday nights to live stream at prime hours on Fridays and Saturdays. So if that's something you guys want, I don't know if you guys go out, if you do things on Fridays and Saturday nights, but if you're interested in me, kind of, live streaming for a few hours during those prime hours on Fridays and Saturdays, definitely let me know, because it's something I'm heavily considering. But I want to make sure you guys are actually going to be here if I'm streaming. You know what I'm saying? Don't think Whiff and Pepe is that risky. They will be holding good. Memes will do great. Oh yeah, memes will do great for sure. Like, especially ones that are established, they've been around for a few months and they didn't rug, then they're definitely safer than others, as far as safe as you can be when it comes to memes, right? So I agree with you there. Yes, but that's good that I got that lesson in next smarter. Yeah, here's the thing is that, like, honestly, I've always said, like, if you don't get wrecked in crypto at least once or twice or scammed or something, are you even in crypto, bro? You know, you know what I mean? Like, it kind of is like a rite of passage in crypto, right? Rob, I think the newer holders hear the $17 news or some type of price prediction and just think that that's and now it'll go to the price prediction results in fund. Well, I mean, listen, that's on the individual person to make sure that they're doing their research, right? Yeah, that's why I always say, and that's why most people should say, to do your research into stuff, right? Pay attention to everything that's being said. If a person just picks out one little thing like $17 out of an entire thing, and that's all they focus on, I mean, you're never going to stop people from doing that kind of thing, right? People will take what they want to hear out of something and go with it, right? You can't stop people from doing that. So, unfortunately, it's unfortunate, but not everyone has the patience to, dig deeper and pay attention to the details about what's being said, right? What's up, everybody? Liquidity in the house. Hope you're doing amazing. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. 3K Sports. What's up, man? Hey, Rob and family. Hit that like button on your way in. Yes, absolutely. I concur. Make sure you're smashing that like button and the subscribe button too, guys. And if you're on X, shoot me a follow, man. Shoot me a follow. It's absolutely free, right? So yeah, check that out. Dig it. Yeah. Seeing a lot of good news, especially with Grayscale having a green inflow for the first time in a while in all the ETFs, but hoping for the best and preparing for the worst. Yes, that is a very, very positive sign. We've seen the outflows of Grayscale slowly dissipate over the last few weeks. And then all of a sudden we saw the very first green day. So is this a sign of positive things to come? Very interesting, Liquidity. Absolutely. You are correct. Lost about $1,000 buying a fake SHX live and live and learn. Yeah, that sucks, man. Stronghold's a good project too. That's too bad. That's too freaking bad. Hopefully, I haven't missed why we may have altcoin season sooner. Nope, you have not missed that part yet. What's up, man? What's up? Appreciate the video you just released about the realization of the crypto space. Glad I'm in now and super excited for the coming years. Yes, exactly. Exactly, man. That's just it. And that's the hope that I try to kind of send out there to people, right? Is that every once in a while, I want everybody to just kind of sit back for a second, just take 1 second, right? And just kind of rein it in. Just forget about price predictions, forget about, where you are in the market cycle, forget about everything, the FUD, the good stuff, and just sit back and think about the opportunity that's in front of you right now. You are currently invested in crypto right now, okay? You are so, and I know other people say this and stuff, but I really want you to feel the words though, right? You are so much earlier than like 90% of the people on the planet, right? You are here now, and that is something to be super, super excited and positive about. While it may take a little bit of time, people don't like waiting for a full 4-year cycle and stuff. You're already here, man. You've already done the work. You're a part of it. You're invested. You're doing your research. You're here in the live streams, right? You've already made it. Again, I like to say you're not poor, you're just pretty rich, right? So definitely just step back and just remember where you're at, man. Remember where you're at. You're early, things are good. How about that bit sensor Tau charts? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I can't find it there. Maybe, hang on. I'm looking for a decent chart here. I'll just look it up on KuCoin. Screw it. Or KuCoin. Oops. CoinGecko, I mean. Are you talking about the daily, the weekly? Daily, the weekly. The daily looked pretty good. It had a nice little spike today. It's a nice and run up all day, eh? A little bit of a pullback now, but yeah, looking good, man. Look at that on the weekly. Boom. It was as low as $346 all the way back up to the peak at $461. That's a nice return right there, man. Monthly is a little bit beastly, but look at that. Pow! That's what you want to see. Wait till Panasonic and JASMY announced they will work together on a 4 to 5 months right before the parabolic stage. I think these guys timed everything. Even the release of the 100. Yeah, exactly. You're absolutely right, Samuel. When you say that, you hit the nail right on the head. Nothing that JASMY has done, especially in terms of timing, none of it is an accident or a coincidence, right? They're timing all of this stuff so perfectly in line with the beginning of this cycle. They're not doing any of this stuff at the bottom of a bear market. Do you think that's an accident? Of course not, right? They know exactly what they're doing. I agree with you 100% on that, Samuel. I agree, brother. Chris in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Junior, hey, Rob, what's your sleeper crypto that no one is talking about? Not even your that we should be looking at. It's funny you asked, Junior, because I actually just did a video on the Patreon about a project that just caught my eye a couple of days ago, and I'm just doing research on it right now. And I might be bringing it to the members' live streams, but yeah, it's a project I'm looking at right now. So it's funny you ask, man. It's funny you ask, but there are quite a few that I'm looking at. But it's over on the Patreon, brother. It's over on the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Eduardo, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, you think Miria will do good this morning? I freaking hope so, because I hold a big-ass bag of it, right? Definitely like Miria. I think Miria is going to mirror what Gala did in the last bull run, right? So listen, for Gala, okay, the max supply, right? 50 billion max supply for Gala. We reached 82 cents in the last bull run. Okay. Now, Gala and Myria are very, very similar projects. They're gaming platform, Web3 gaming platform projects, right? That right now, like Mora Games is building on Myria, for example, right? Stuff like that, right? Gala, the only difference is Gala has like Gala Music and Gala Film, but they're related, but they're not, right? So in saying that, again, 82 cents was the all-time high in the bull run, okay? 50 billion for the max supply. So now if we go over to Myria, right? I don't think this was an accident. The exact same max supply, right? Market cap significantly lower right now, right? All-time high was 1 cent 6. I think we can see something very, very similar with Myria that we saw with Gala. Will it reach exactly 82 cents? Maybe not. Maybe it'll go a little higher. But if Myria makes it to between, I think it can make it between 60 and 75 cents, no problem, right? Which would be an underperformance from what Gala did, right? And I think it can match what Gala did. So at 60 to 75 cents for Myria, if you were buying in when we were telling you to months and months ago, then you're going to be walking away with a small fortune. That is for sure. So absolutely, I love Gala. The weekly. Yeah, the weekly looked good. Juicy Jasmy, Leafs Bruins Game 7, beautiful Saturday night. Well, it'll be beautiful if the Leafs win. If they lose, then it's a miserable, stormy, crappy BS night. Okay? I reserve the right to call the night in about 4 hours. What kind of night it is? Hello. What's new, Jasmy partnership? Do you see what new Jasmy partner? You know what? I have a feeling, guys, like people keep asking me, like, you know, what partnership do you see next for Jasmy stuff? I gotta be honest with you. The next partnership I see, it's kind of a sleeper. I've been talking about it for a while. I feel like we're gonna see something with Intel. I feel we're gonna see something with Intel soon with Jasmy, right? Sometime within the next, let's say, 24 months. I think we're gonna see something with Jasmy and Intel. I've been ready for this bull run since 2021. Nice. That's what you love to hear, brother. I sold all my Swift that I purchased at a fifth of a cent 9 and purchased back at nice. Well played, man. Well played. Absolutely amazing. Liquidity says, be sure to like, subscribe, and join the Patreon to not miss those low cap gems, everybody. Absolutely. Liquidity definitely just nailed it. Make sure you're taking Liquidity's advice. Check that out, guys. Plus, my portfolio videos over there, guys. Everyone keeps asking me about my portfolio. It's over there on the Patreon. Go check it out. Go check it out, man. What else do we got? About GMT from Pakistan. GMT. I think we were looking at GMT the other. Don't they have like a token release coming up soon or something? I think we just talked about token releases the other day, and I think they have one coming up. Almost $435 million market cap. Tokenomics are not bad. It's on Solana, so we like that, right? Game Phison, this yeah, I'm kind of neutral on this one. I think it'll do okay. All-time high was $4.11, right? Crazy. Yeah, it's gonna have a good bull run. We'll give it 1 thumbs up instead of 2 thumbs up. We're neutral, we're bullish neutral on this one, okay? Overcome in the house. What's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. David, time is money. We almost got to 2 cents. Yeah, we were touching pretty high there today. Maybe we can push up tonight, guys. We're going to be live streaming it. How high do you think Gala could get? Gala will probably hit somewhere around 50 to 60 cents this time around because, listen, when they did their token migration, they released a whole crap load of tokens into the circulating supply. There was a lot of dilution there. So it's going to be a lot harder for Gala to get back to its all-time high. So I'm thinking 50, 60 cents would be realistic for Gala, in my opinion, which is not bad if you're buying it at these prices, right? Good evening, everyone. Crypto Coin Guy, what's up, man? Let's see that KPI hit its mark, $17 in 2026. Absolutely. Jasmy community is very strong. However, if more and more YouTube channels start covering Jasmy, I think we could have seen higher Jasmy price by now. They will, trust me. When Jasmy starts going into price, not price discovery, but when Jasmy starts, smashing through 10 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, believe me, just like we saw when it had that little run up in February, all of a sudden the content creators came out of the woodwork to cover Jasmy, right? It'll happen again. As soon as it has another run, you'll see more and more people start to create it for clickbait and stuff like that. Ever since Microsoft made this deal with Jasmy for $2 billion, everything just started rolling on the partnerships, devs, ecosystem, everything. Glad I held this since the very beginning and never sold it yet. Absolutely, brother. And I got to say also, I freaking love your hat, brother. I love it. Fantastic. And I agree with you, man. Rob, did I understand correct? If I send Jasmy to Binance, there are no ETH fees. With centralized exchanges, okay, there's like the exchanges tend to manage your fee and take care of it for you, okay, as opposed to a decentralized exchange. So the gas fee on a centralized exchange would be minimal, right? As opposed to doing it on like MetaMask or something where you've got to worry about your slippage and like just it gets ridiculous, right? It's significantly cheaper to do it on Binance to swap in and out of ERC20 tokens than it is to do it on Uniswap. If 2026 will be considered the bear market, just curious why you think Jasmy. No, that's a misunderstanding in the video that I talked about. I'm talking when I say that I think they can reach their KPI goals, I'm talking about the supply and circulation is what I'm referring to, and the lockup. That part of the KPI is what I'm referring to. To get to $17, I think is something more realistic to happen in the bull run. However, I think that Jasmy will have a good bear market. Will it still pull back? Absolutely, yes, I do. But what I was referring to in terms of the KPI goals for before 2026, I was talking about the pace at which they're locking up tokens needs to increase to reach the amount of 36 billion being locked up, right? Does that make sense? That's what I was referring to in it. Stargazer, holy smokes, where you been, man? Holy smokes. Yeah, but isn't Jasmy coin also very diluted, just like Gala, if not more diluted? Yes, however, they're also taking 36 billion out of the circulating supply, so it's diluted for now. But with them now locking up tokens on an increased incremental monthly basis on top of the PDL being activated, their goal, and I've talked about it, I've even shown the charts, I've shown everything on it, is to only have 14 billion tokens in circulation total, right? They want 36 billion locked up. So that kind of changes it, right? Makes sense. Thanks. Hey, no problem, man. I got you. Thanks, man. Big new fan of this stream. You've been making my job easier. I stopped working like 7 years now and have been just enjoying life with crypto. Make it easier. Thanks, man. Congratulations, too. Congratulations for not having to work, brother. That, like, not work at your job. You know what I mean? That's freaking awesome, man. And I'm happy for you. Congratulations, brother. And thanks for supporting the channel, too. That means a lot. Liquidity. Every time I DCA into other projects, I end up coming back to Swift and Jasmy because of the potential ROI. Yeah, I know how you feel, man. I know how you feel. I do the same thing. Every once in a while, I'm looking for a new project. I'm like, what should I buy? Should I buy something new? Should I start filling a new bag? And then I'm like, what's this? What's the potential ROI? And then I'm like, yeah, but Swift Coin and Jasmy are better. you know? So I totally get you on that. I totally get you on that, man. That's funny, though. That is funny. Understood. Makes sense. Hey, no worries, man. No worries. I know you have said it before, but can you talk on where you think Swift is going to go this bull run into the next one? Well, like I said, I think Swift coin has the potential to get to $1 plus in this bull run. However, I will likely start dollar cost averaging my way out around 43, 44 cents. And I'll probably be finished dollar cost averaging out of my position around 74, 76 cents, something like that. Because I like to front run the market. I like to get out early, take my profits, and let everybody else worry about psychological levels, because sometimes they don't get there and then you get screwed and you have to hold. As for the following bull run, I honestly have no idea. That a large part of that is going to depend on what they do through the next bear market. If they continue to build and grow and collaborate, then the sky is definitely the limit. We could see it go up to somewhere around $4, $5, $6. But if they don't really do much in the bear market, then it might underachieve in the next bull run, right? So really kind of depends cycle by cycle, right? If you had to pick one, Swift or XCN, well, I mean, I'd probably go with Swift, to be honest with you. I love both, but if you're holding my feet to the fire, I'd probably go with Swift. Hey, Rob, thanks for introducing JASMY to my life. 1.4 million. Let's go. Hey, no problem, man. Welcome to the JASMY community, man. We love having you here, brother. My membership badge changed from new member to 1 month. I hope to get a decade membership badge in 10 years from now. Nice. That's awesome, man. Yes, that is absolutely awesome. And it's awesome to have you as one of the members, man. Thank you so much. By the way, guys, if you're not a member of the channel, and to all the members of the channel, just a reminder that tomorrow is Sunday. And on Sundays, we do the members only live streams in the afternoon. We're going to drop a couple more gems for you guys in the live stream. We're going to help out everybody who's got any questions and stuff like that. So if you're a member, just a reminder to be here tomorrow afternoon for the members only live stream. And guys, if you're not a member, you're definitely going to want to click the link in the chat and be a part of the members only live streams. Like I said, we drop microcap gems in there. We help everybody out with everything that they need. So portfolio structure, exit strategies, all that fun stuff. So definitely check that out. Is $1 JASMY psychological level? Where did what did you? Yes, $1 psychological levels are generally round numbers that that most people are putting sell orders in or buy orders in at. For example, for JASMY, like 10 cents is going to be a psychological level, right? 50 cents is going to be a psychological level. $1 is going to be a psychological level, right? And you want to avoid trying to put your sell orders in on psychological levels, because it's going to be just overrun with sell orders from people. So you want to front run that. So if you want to sell at 50 cents, then what you're going to want to do is put your sell orders around like 47, 48 cents to get ahead of everybody who's trying to sell at exactly 50 cents, right? That way you ensure that you made your money ahead of time, right? Not sure if you have any ETC, but it's something you should definitely have. They're having is at the end of the month, and also Fetch is we're looking at we've done a couple of videos on the ASI merger with Fetch, Ocean, and AGIX. Definitely looking forward to that. By the way, I wouldn't recommend moving to Australia. I hear it's much worse than Canada, but to do what you want. Yeah, you know what? I wouldn't move to Australia mainly because everything there wants to eat me and can eat me, right? So I'm pretty sure even the spiders could probably completely devour my entire body in a short amount of time. So those spiders, they don't catch... Man, there's spiders in Australia. They don't even catch bugs in their spider webs anymore. They'd be catching birds and shit now. Like, it's out of control, man. There's zero chance you'd catch me in Australia. Holy smokes. Screw that. I wouldn't even get off the plane if we landed for an emergency. You know, the people are amazing. I love Australian people, but no spank you, man. Steph's Crypto says, buy signal just got confirmed on JASMY's daily RSI. Check it out, guys. Don't sleep on this life-changing opportunity. I'm going to open a new swing trade and we'll share. So he's opening a new swing trade, probably longing. So we just got a buy signal on JASMY on the daily, guys. Very bullish for continuation to the upside. Check this out. So the SEC charges Trump media auditor with massive fraud. Not crypto related, but interesting nonetheless. JASMY moving up the ranks. Yesterday we were at 92 by market cap. Now we're in the 80s. Love to see it, guys. Love to see it. What does Eleanor Tourette have to say to us today? She says, Scoop, the House Financial Service. This is important, guys. I'm going to be live streaming this. You do not want to miss this, guys. The House Financial Services Committee is working to get the chairman, Gary Gensler of the SEC, up to the Hill to testify this month. But I'm told a date has not yet been finalized. Guys, Gary Gensler is going to be testifying again this month in front of the Financial House Committee to answer for all of his BS. And we are going to live stream the whole thing right here. As soon as they release the date, I will let you guys know when it is. You're not going to want to miss that. It's going to be hilarious. I love watching Gary Gensler sweat. What do we got? Oda, CEO of BitPoint, which is the exchange that locked up the first 100 million JASMY tokens, sees immense potential in blockchain technology and the principles of Web3 to transform Japanese society. He believes that JASMY will be, with its innovative solutions, is well positioned to lead this evolution in Japan. Like to see these exchanges, guys. BitPoint, SBI Group supporting and being behind JASMY. Absolutely bullish, guys. Yeah, Australia is wild. Yeah, no kidding. Australia isn't that dangerous. I don't know, man. I don't know. It looks pretty terrifying to me. You know, the most we got is like skunks and stuff here in Canada. So I don't know. Looks pretty scary to me. They're not eating me alive. All right, what else do we got? Imagine being this guy, but for JASMY, right? Imagine being this guy, but for JASMY. Look at this tweet. I wish I had kept my 1,700 BTC at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30 cents. Now they're $8. This was in May 11th, 2016. Imagine being that guy, but for JASMY, right? Exactly. Don't be foolish. Don't squander away your potential fortune, guys. So, all right, what else do we got? JASMY coin price prediction. What? Well, JASMY price recovered. Let's check it out. JASMY coin's trajectory reveals a fascinating correlation with the movements of Bitcoin, with the increase of 8.44% in the last 24 hours. In the intricate world of cryptocurrencies, where each digital asset vies for attention and legitimacy, JASMY emerges as a strong contender, particularly within the Japanese markets. Positioned as Japan's answer to Bitcoin, JASMY has garnered attention for its unique value proposition and its role in the broader landscape of digital currencies. Notably, the period around October of 2023 witnessed a surge in JASMY's value, mirroring Bitcoin's own upward trajectory. Now, I'm not going to read the breakdown part of what JASMY is because we know. So we have a typo here. So he says today, May 4th, the price of JASMY is at 1 cent 83 within a 24-hour trading volume of 192 million and the market cap of 903 million over the past day. The price of JASMY surged by 8.44%. Notably, JASMY achieved its peak price on February 16th of 2021, reaching the price of $4.92. According to technical indicators, JASMY's 200-day simple moving average is projected to ascend to the coming month, expected to reach 1 cent 5. That's the moving average line, not the price. Don't get confused, right? By June 3rd, which is good, it shows upward trajectory, just so you know. Where was I now? Conversely, the short-term 50-day SMA is forecasted to reach the 2 cent 9 level by the same date, which is the trend line again, the moving average, not the price, which means the price should be higher with any luck. So, guys, what do you think here? We're moving to the upside. They don't give an actual price target, but they do talk about the support levels at 1 cent 5 and 1 cent 7 are strong support levels. Resistance levels at 1 cent 9 and 2 cents 09. So we'll have to stay on top of that, see what happens. Back to the chat here. JASMY 2, 25 to 50 cents this bull run, and $1 plus the next. Things could go much higher than 25 to 50 cents this bull run. I'm just glad that the lockup gate obstacle is over. I watch you in like 8 videos repeat the news about the lockup just for people who continue worrying about it. Yes, exactly, right? It's crazy. I could answer the same question 100 times, and then literally in that video that I answer the question, someone will ask me the same question without watching the video, right? Like, people will constantly ask me for my JASMY price prediction. I've made like 8 JASMY price prediction videos, and they just won't watch them. They just want me to give them an answer. Like, watch, give me the view, and watch the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Locked and loaded, baby. Let's go. Absolutely. We have to rep JASMY like Elon does Doge. JASMY to the moon. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I agree. We need to, that's why we got to like, we got to subscribe, guys, so that we can, feed the algorithm and we can get JASMY content out there to more people, right? Very, very important. So yeah, very, very important. Feed the algo, right? Feed the algo. JASMY in the top 3. Let's go. I'm sure JASMY will hit a point like every other top 100 crypto when price action starts moving fast. Oh yeah, FOMO will definitely intensify as well. Don't forget about that, man. Absolutely. So what do we got? Altcoin season could start as early as next week. Here's why. Many altcoins have started to recover in the past 48 hours, with several seeing double-digit gains. There have been multiple reports indicating that altcoins may have finally bottomed out, potentially leading to a spike in their prices. However, according to analyst Trading Shot, this could be more than just temporary surge for some altcoins, but rather the beginning of a broader alt season. A period of sustained growth and outperformance compared to Bitcoin. In a TradingView post, Trading Shot examined the historical relationship between altcoin market cycles and Bitcoin's halving events. Typically, altcoins tend to bottom out after Bitcoin, which is expected given Bitcoin's position as a market leader. The analyst pointed out that the previous 2 market cycles, altcoins experienced a significant sell-off or dump within a specific time frame following Bitcoin's halving event. However, Trading Shot noted that the current cycle has deviated from the typical pattern. The analyst observed that the recent altcoin sell-off began in late December, coinciding with Bitcoin's aggressive rally. which they attributed to the anticipation of the subsequent launch of the Bitcoin ETFs. According to Trading Shot interpretation, these divergences from the usual pattern, the usual pattern suggests that the recent altcoin sell-off could have been the post-halving dump for this cycle. If this analyst is correct, it implies that altcoins may have reached the bottom of their bull megaphone formation, a pattern historically associated with altcoin market bottoms. Meli Moneda is new meme. That's a freaking sponsored thing. So Trading Shot concluded that based on this analysis, it is highly probable for the new altcoin season to begin as early as next week. An alt season is characterized by altcoins rallying parabolically and outperforming Bitcoin's gains. Let's go. It happened with ETC a few years back, 16 to 175 the same day. Nice. Too many JASMY millionaires taking profits in 10 to 20 cent range will have a hard time reaching. It'll have a hard time, yeah, but the more tokens that get taken out of circulation as well, the easier it's going to be, right? Not sure if you follow Plan B. Yes, I do follow Plan B, actually. I love all of his breakdowns and stuff very, very much. And I'm very, very hopeful that he's correct. I think he's projecting like a $250,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin, right? Do you watch F1 racing? I do not, unfortunately. I'm a hockey guy. And although coins pump in the meantime, yes, lower caps have superior gains to bigger caps and faster too. Yes. I know that one day things will be crazy high. That's why I keep buying even. Yes, exactly. 2 cents is going to feel like nothing 12 months from now for JASMY. It's going to feel like you're going to laugh at 2 cents. You're going to be like, I can't believe I was like, should I buy more at 2 cents or is it too high of a price, right? You're going to laugh at that later. I'm telling you, man. I tell you, man. Okay. DCA, baby. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Check this out. Check this out, guys. A little bit of a debate here. We're going to listen to it here. It's only about 2 minutes long, so check it out. So we got the end of gold versus Bitcoin debate. Let's listen in.
30 seconds of his time
Got
to
it.
you.
Okay.
We want to hear it, sir.
Okay. First of all, a world in which gold was the money again would be a superior world to the status quo. I'll grant that. My primary concern is that the world has money that is derived out of market processes rather than out of coercive centralization of the state. The latter is extremely an un-American and dangerous plague that has existed now since at least 1971, when the dollar became a fiat currency. Anything that moves the world away from centralized control of money to market-based control of money is something that I would be in favor of. Peter, I will praise you if you can get the world to accept gold again as a form of normal money. That would be great. There are some other of us who don't wish to wait around for that, and we actually think a decentralized form of money that you can send in a digital world has value. And back in 2011, 2012, 2013, when we had our first debate, I understand that like the burden of proof was on us. We had to argue that it was a currency or that it was a money. We had to make those statements because there's no reason for anyone to believe us back then. But it's 2024, and this is a $1.2 trillion asset, one of the most liquid assets in the world, one of the top 10 assets in the entire world by market cap. I don't need to keep making the case that Bitcoin is something. The world believes it's something. You can see why if you ever go try to send a transaction internationally with a bank and you do it with Bitcoin on your phone, anyone who's done those two things will see the value immediately. And I don't have to like defend it much, right? It's just growing and it's an option. There's no Bitcoiner that would force either of you to ever use it. And if you want to stay in the traditional financial system, go down with the Titanic, go for it. Many of us are choosing an alternative.
I'm on the Voorhees life raft, just so you know.
Well, I'm not going down with the ship.
if you want to go down like the Titanic. I like how we threw that in there at the end. I tried telling everyone in the Discord group a day before the dump. I have 5 tokens. I buy and wait to dump in 2 days, but not sure. I should let them build or continue what I'm doing. You've been doing pretty good, Queen, Crypto Queen. You've been pretty successful at what you've been doing so far. I mean, there's nothing wrong with swing trading, right? But maybe just do it with I personally I swing trade as well, Crypto Queen, but I have my long-term DCA bags and I keep my swing trade money separate. So that way I can do both, right? Because you seem to be very successful at it from conversations we've had. So I mean, I would just control the amount if it was me. Samuel, for people who worried about averages, but in different exchange, yes. I bought JASMY at 7 cents and sold at 15 cents. So price is relative to the time you're in. Yes, exactly. I bought JASMY at 2 cents 45 to 2 cents, 2.3 cents, then sold 15% of my bag to buy back at 1 cent. Nice. Nice, brother. Samuel, same thing, man. You do some pretty decent swing trading too, brother. Have you ever zoomed out on the DYDX and the dollar has been in the yeah, we actually were just about to look over at the Dixie. Depends on what time frame you're talking about, brother. I mean, we're looking at it right now. I mean, if we zoom out, right? This is the daily. It's okay. I mean, it's all right. But I mean, if we go to bigger time frames, right? Like if we go to like the weekly, I mean, yeah, like it starts to look not that fantastic. Look at that. Look at the highs, man. Look at that. 1980s, man. 1980s, right? The good old days. What's the monthly look like? Yeah, look at the monthly. That doesn't look so good. The 3 month. Yeah, that's the Dixie for you. Let's go back to the hourly here. So we need this on the hourly, guys. We need this to continue dumping. In my opinion, if we want to see crypto move to the upside, we need this to continue to the downside hard. We're all in the right place. Crypto is here. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's a joke here in America. Yeah, in Canada too, man. Hey, Rob, are you going to start selling any of the JASMY below 50 cents? Nope. No, I'm not. Zoom out a lot. What I will say, though, about my sell orders, if you're a member of the channel, you're going to get the members get all my buy alerts all the time. And when I start selling, the members are going to know all my sell alerts too, when I'm dollar cost averaging out of my projects and stuff. So that's another reason you definitely want to become a member of the channel, guys. Hey, Rob, can you do me a favor? I love JASMY coin, but can you mention Reddit coin? I've looked at Reddit coin a few times. It looks okay. It's got utility and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, we like I said, we looked at it like 2 or 3 different times. It looks like it's got some. I can't remember exactly what it does, but it's got some utility to it from what I recall. Right? It's over on Uniswap. Yeah. I mean, how long is it? It hasn't even been out very long. This is one that has not been out very long. Definitely looks like, throwing like $100 into it or something wouldn't be a terrible idea. Obviously, I'm not telling you to. I'm just saying it hasn't really had a parabolic run or anything. So, I mean, if you want opportunity, it's there, but just be careful, right? You can really watch the progression of horrible government destroy our. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. Dixie can't stay at this level, just a matter of time before. Yeah, I agree. It's going to work its way down. Just a matter of time. It's not if, it's when. So 100%. All right, guys. Swift moving up. Is Swift on its way up? Holy smokes, look at that. Swift is on the move, guys. It is up 10.7% all of a sudden. Crypto Homes with the call. Love to see it. Swift making moves. Ginser just came out and said he's all in on Elizabeth Horan. Yeah. Yeah, he's all in. He just dropped his $100 million net worth into Elizabeth Horan. Absolutely. I remember reading that this morning, right? Long holds are Solana, ICP, 8 Bitcoin, and over 6 million JASMY. I also have between 5 and 8K on each Ondo, AVAL, Swift, Stacks, HBAR, Vera, Farm, Goldfinch, The Graph, Maple, and TrueFi. That's a nice portfolio, Crypto Queen. I dig it. I hold a lot of those too. I definitely dig it. Swift and JASMY both to 50 cents this bull run. I think, I mean, hey, that's fair. It's a fair call. I mean, it's a fair call. I think it's conservative, but it's fair, right? I would take that all day long. To be honest with you, I would take that and I would walk away till the bottom of the bear market. So definitely would not complain. Any time frame in your opinion that we see 7 cents on JASMY? It's kind of hard to tell right now, but if we are actually turning around in the market, then I mean we will probably see 7 cents, you know, sometime within the next 2 months anyways. You know, I try to be realistic, right? But we got to smash through 3 cents first, right? I have Forta. I haven't picked up any Forta yet, but I do want to. Power Ledge, HOPR, Cryptex. Cryptex is a good one. But I have 12K on ICP. ICP is a good call. I don't think it's going to do anything fantastic. What do you suggest? I think ICP will get somewhere around $100 this bull run, in my opinion. I do think it can get around $100, so maybe a little more, maybe 120, 125. So I hold a little bit of ICP as well. Crypto Queen is boss. Absolutely, she is, man. Absolutely. Bitcoin going to 220K or so this bull run, in my opinion. Yeah, I've been following a lot of different stuff. Tech Dev, Plan B, you know, all calling for the same thing, man. Like 200 to 300K BTC. That's going to be crazy for the altcoins, guys. Absolutely crazy. So you absolutely love to see that, man. So yeah, guys, I am going to start eating supper. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, guys. Let's get the channel pushed out. Again, hit the like, support the channel. And join the Patreon, guys. You're not going to want to miss what's over there. My portfolio's over there and stuff. We're doing exclusive Patreon content. And join the member side. Aren't there some long or short positions closing today sometime? I think there would. I think that was yesterday. I'm almost positive it was yesterday for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Rob was looking into Forta. I take it you're bullish on it? Yes, I am. I don't hold any yet, but I am bullish on it. Yes. Plan B said the next dot on the chart maybe 80K. Yeah, I agree. Forta never disappoints me. Yes, Forta's going to do good things for sure. Same with Ondo. I'm hearing amazing things about Quant. Yes, Quant between. I think Quant's going to land somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500. Quant is definitely a fantastic hold, man. Quant is going to do big things, and in the future, it's going to be way higher than that. So, my opinion, Quant is definitely a must-have in your portfolio, for sure. But 63.8. So yeah. But guys, most importantly, tomorrow we have the weekly close, and that's going to be an important level to watch, the weekly close tomorrow. So we're going to be streaming it. But I'm going to go get something to eat, guys. I'm going to eat some supper. And Crypto Holmes, I'm going to ask you to pray for me, my brother, because if the Leafs lose tonight, then I'm going to cry like a little bitch, right? So, so yeah, pray for the Leafs tonight, guys. We gotta slay that monster in Boston. You think 80K before the potential dip again, Rob, or seeing that dip at 52 first? 52 is not a guarantee. It's just, it's just a potential where it could still go, right? It's a 50-50 shot. We could see 52K. We could see things continue to the upside from this point forward, right? So I know no one wants to hear it could go up or could go down, but right now it's really that undecided. There's nothing confirmed on the charts one way or the other, right? Kevin's in the house. What's up, brother? Where you been, man? If JASMY really does pop, I'll be happy because I can retire. Absolutely, man. Celebrating my 42nd birthday this weekend. Nice. Congratulations. Happy birthday, brother. I'll be celebrating my 43rd birthday in June. So happy birthday, bud. Happy birthday. Early happy birthday. Crypto Homes, good luck tonight. Thank you, brother. Thank you. We need all the praying we can get. Florida is one of my top picks, but you need more profit. Big, yeah. Mr. B, I'm late to the party. How about that Swift? Hey, yeah, Swift's looking juicy, up 10%, baby. I noticed big players like Crypto Banter won't talk about JASMY because they know they can't shield the coin and profit on their supporters. They're late to the game. Yeah, I agree. And also because it's not popular right now, right? As soon as JASMY starts hitting 10 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, and starts taking the crypto world by storm, all of a sudden, George and BitBoy and Banter and Wendy O, they'll all be coming out. Altcoin Daily, they'll be talking about it for clicks and stuff like that. But we remember who supported JASMY when it was at the bottom, right? We remember that. So, I'm a Flyers fan, but I have a family in Canada that are Leafs fans. Nice. You think ICP can hit 150 easily? I think it can hit 100 easily. 120 maybe. 150 is a little bit of a stretch, but I think it can hit 100. Chris says happy birthday to says happy birthday to Kevin. 43 here, brothers. Nice. I'll be right behind you in June, man. Right behind you in June. Crypto Banter doesn't get paid to do advertise. Bitcoin will go up Monday if it stays at 63K. Yeah. Well, we need to get a weekly close above 63K. That's what we're going to be watching for tomorrow. Fucking George, yeah. Boomer's in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Dude buys JASMY at 2.1 cents, 2.3 cents, 300K, then sells subscribers, tells subscribers he sold 1 million JASMY. Happy birthday, Kevin. Carlos, up, bro. What's your price prediction for Swift? We already talked about that, but I think Swift, like I said, Swift can hit somewhere around $1, in my opinion, potentially even a little bit higher, right? But like we've talked a lot about the deeper connections that they have. We've even started exploring what we saw over on Max's live stream about their connection with XLM. Very, very bullish stuff. So I think it could get to $1. However, I'll be dollar cost averaging my way out starting around that 43, 44 cent level. JASMY is all exchanges. Use my favorite. Yeah, it's pretty much listed everywhere. It's Monday, May 6th, but thank you all. Let's make that money, crypto fam. Absolutely. X marks the spot. Just finished push-ups, 20. I need a little break, and I'll finish up the rest soon. I have questions. You better hurry, because I'm logging off in a second. The hockey's on. X marks the spot. 1 push-up per letter. Nice. Bon appetit. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, man. I see there's a token named Boomer. Yeah, it's probably a rug by that Boomer effing Sooner. I'll tell you, that guy, man. He likes to rug us, right? Nice. Nice. I don't know if Max, if you guys know, I don't know if Max is streaming tonight or not. I haven't spoken with him today, so be interesting to see. But Well, that's got to be, yeah, exactly. That's got to be completely lit. That's got to be a great project. It's going to pass, Boomer Token's going to pass Ethereum in market cap this bull run, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. Have yourselves a great night. Cross your fingers for my Leafs tonight, guys. Need all the hope we can get, all the positive vibes. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, guys, become a member of the channel. We have the members only live stream tomorrow afternoon. We're going to drop a couple more microcap gems. We're going to talk some crypto. It's going to be a great time, guys. Make sure you click the join button for that. Also join the Patreon. Go check out my portfolio. Don't miss that. And yeah, for the love of goodness, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Best Vibes channel. Let's go. Woohoo. All right. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later.